Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about a new color from the Glowy Tier collection, and this is the Glowy Charcoal. They have previously released the Glowy Tier Brown and Grey like about 6 months ago, and I've done like a full review on that for you guys up here. I've also done like the whole complete get to know everything about the Glowy collection, because this Glowy collection, they have so many different variety. So I did like a thorough review, and obviously now they've added another additional one, which obviously is not featured in that video, but it will provide all the details you need. To summarize this pattern, it's supposed to give you like more of a asymmetrical crescent moon look with the highlighter on the inside, but very like subtle looking. So what I mean by asymmetrical means that the crescent moon, you have it on the top and the bottom, and the good thing about doing that, it just means that whenever the contact lens is turned, the crescent moon doesn't look weird or like odd in your eyes, because one can be on the top and one can be on the bottom. But this particular Glowy Tier doesn't do that, but still give you a very nice mesmerizing glistening look. I know nowadays they have like this like weighted contact lens, which I'm looking forward to try, but I haven't really gotten anything. But to be honest, I don't see why I really need it right now, especially if I have this Glowy Tier collection, and I feel like it gives me the same effect or even better because I love the pattern of this anyway. With this particular charcoal one, I'm going to go back and forth with the grey, because currently I'm wearing the charcoal one on the right and the grey one on the left, if you guys see any differences, because I feel like when I put on the charcoal itself, I thought I was wearing the grey, but once I put the grey on, I'm like, I can totally see the differences. So I thought doing this will be helpful for you guys to see the differences while I'm talking. First of all, going back to the charcoal, to summarize, it's pretty much like the grey color, but you have like upped the contrast. So not only do you get the limber ring on the outside, but it's much more thicker and wider on the outside, and then on the inner part you get a combination of like grey tone and like charcoal like black shade. Okay, so by putting all of this together, it's just much more darker on the eyes, and because it's much more darker, I personally feel like I don't see the crescent moon as much, but I do see a little bit at the bottom and not so much on the top. And even though it rotates, it's the same. I don't see much on the top but more on the bottom, which is so buzzy, right? Like maybe because of the shadow of my eyes, I'm not sure, but I can definitely see how the grey are really similar, but it's just the charcoal one is definitely much more darker. I feel like the grey is much more of a cooler, icy grey compared to the charcoal one. The charcoal ones do have that grey, but it looks much more like the warm shade grey compared to the grey one itself. And if I would have to compare which one I prefer, I would definitely say I prefer the grey one more, because I feel like somehow the diameter of this looks a little bit different. The graphic diameter for this, which I forgot to mention, is 13.3mm, which I like. But I feel like the charcoal one, maybe because it's quite dark, it looks much more enlarging compared to the grey. Do you guys feel like, do you guys see that? I feel like with the grey one, it's like a perfect graphic diameter for me, and it's just, you know, like it's just everything just balanced out. But I feel like with the grey, it just looks much more wider. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. But it's definitely cool to see the comparison between the charcoal and the grey, but part of me still wish that they release like a sapphire one, because I would be obsessed with that, because I'm obsessed with the glowy sapphire. So if they can release like a Glowy Tier sapphire with the 2 crescent moon, that would be like perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any questions, put it down in the comment box below, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.